Hi, this is Eric Harris with Chi for Healing, and today I'm going to show you how I make my Repair Tonic tincture. This is a tincture that I crafted to help with any issues of pain and inflammation. And if you are not familiar with what a tincture is, I'm going to tell you. A tincture is a way that you preserve the medicine from herbs or mushrooms. This is a tincture that I've already created. Okay. And so as you see, it's got all the herbs in there. And then you use a solvent. I like to use vegetable glycerin and a smidge of water. And when you do that, when you keep it in here, right, and you shake it up, I have a little fermenting weight in there. After about 4 to 6 weeks, it is ready to be strained and then put into the bottle. And you can take it as needed. So this tincture has a bunch of herbs that are great for inflammation. I'm starting with reishi mushroom, which is known for its immune tonic properties and so many other things, but it also is anti-inflammatory. Next, I'm going to add mugwort leaf. This is an herb that is great for the lungs, helping to move blocked energy. It also has some anti-inflammatory properties. And next I have Roux. Roux has been used in Chinese medicine for a really long time to help repair aches and strains, muscle strains, trauma. The Shaolin monks used to actually always have Roux on hand, and after they would beat each other up, they would use Roux, make tea or make poultice, or even make tincture. And then I'm going to add a little bit of licorice root. Licorice root is a harmonizer as far as Chinese herbs are concerned, but it also has anti-inflammatory properties. Then I'm going to add some holy basil, known as a liver and heart tonic, also an adaptogenic herb. And it has some anti-inflammatory properties as well. This new herb that I'm adding to this tincture is called wild lettuce. Okay, I harvest this in the springtime, but they call this the poor man's opium. You don't want to add too much, just a little bit. But it has some incredible sedating effects, but also some anti-inflammatory properties. And next, I'm going to add some feverfew leaf and some flower. Feverfew is one of the best herbs for headaches. It also, going after its name, feverfew, helps to bring down a fever. So it's very cooling energy. Bring energy from the head to the toe. Last but not least, I'm going to add the combo of violet flowers and dandelion flowers that I pick in the spring. Great liver tonics. They both have great anti-inflammatory properties. So then, adding the glycerin. Adding a little bit of water. Key thing to do here is to make sure that you shake it up. So it's starting to all go together. Shake it all up. And then it'll start to soak in. Then you can kind of see, need to add a little bit more. Glycerin, smidge of the water. You don't want too much water, but it helps to take your fermenting weight, put it on top so it can help push all the herbs and mushrooms below the water level, so you prevent any mold. And then what you want to do is you want to label it with what it is and the date, so then you know how long it's been going. And you come and you shake it up as often as you can, and that helps to macerate and bring all the herbs together. It really helps to extract that medicine. So that is how you make an herbal tincture, particularly the Repair Tonic tincture. Thank you very much. If you want to find out more info about me and where to even purchase this tincture, you can go to chiefforhealing.com.